And towing, it hasn't forgotten it's an F-150.
Configured properly, it hauls 10,000 pounds with instant torque from a standstill. Hitching a trailer has never felt less dramatic.
Here's where it stops being just a truck and starts being a Swiss Army knife.
ProPower on board turns the Lightning into a rolling generator, pushing out up to 9.6 kilowatts. That's enough to run a job site, a tailgate party, or even charge another EV.
And when the lights go out at home,
It doubles as a backup power source,